Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to channel for all things clean and natural. I'm Kelly, and today we're talking about 11 toxic things you need to banish from your home right now. This is a topic that's super important for your health and well-being: hidden toxins in your home. Do your own research so you can do what's best for your family. You might be surprised by how many everyday items can actually be harmful to you, your family, and your pets. But don't worry, we're not here to scare you. We're here to empower you with knowledge and easy solutions to create a healthier, happier home environment. So grab a pen and a notebook, hit that like button, because who doesn't love a good declutter? And let's get going! But before we start, don't forget to tell us in the comments what you are already doing to keep your loved ones safe from those hidden toxins. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you never miss any awesome content on creating a healthy and eco-friendly home. And now, down to business. Number 1. Non-stick cookware. We all love the convenience of non-stick cookware, right? But those seemingly magical surfaces often contain chemicals called perfluorinated compounds, or PFCs. When heated to high temperatures, these PFCs can break down and potentially release harmful fumes. Yikes! Solution: as soon as possible, get all of the non-stick cookware out of your family's kitchen for good. Opt for cast iron skillets, stainless steel pans, or even ceramic cookware. These options are just as effective, if not more so, and way safer for you and your family. Number 2. Mothballs. Mothballs? Those little white balls that promise to keep pesky moths away. But the truth is, they're loaded with chemicals like naphthalene and dichlorobenzene. These can irritate your eyes and skin, and even cause respiratory problems with long-term exposure. Solution: there are safer alternatives for moth control. Try cedar blocks, lavender sachets, or even sticky traps. These are just as effective at deterring moths without the nasty chemicals. Number 3. Chemical air fresheners. We all want our homes to smell good, but many commercial air fresheners are packed with synthetic fragrances and volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. These can trigger allergies, headaches, and even respiratory issues. Solution: ditch the chemical spray. Instead, try natural alternatives like diffusing essential oils, always with proper dilution, or simmering spices like cinnamon or cloves on the stove. Or even placing bowls of baking soda around the house to absorb odors. Number 4. Receipt paper. This one might surprise you, but those seemingly harmless receipts can actually contain BPA, a chemical linked to hormonal disruptions. While the exposure from a single receipt might be minimal, it adds up over time, especially if you handle them frequently. Solution: ask for electronic receipts whenever possible, or simply wash your hands after handling receipts. You can also keep a designated box or tray for them and dispose of them regularly. Number 5. Plastic wrap. Plastic wrap is a convenient way to store food, but it often contains chemicals that can leach into your food, especially when heated. Solution: let's wrap it up in a safer way. Reusable containers made from glass, silicone, or stainless steel are a much better option for storing food. They're not only better for your health, but also for the environment. Number 6. Harsh cleaning products. We all want a sparkling clean home, but many commercial cleaning products are loaded with harsh chemicals like bleach, ammonia, and chlorine. These can irritate your skin and lungs and even contribute to asthma. Solution: there's a power in natural cleaning. Make your own cleaning solutions with vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. They're just as effective at disinfecting surfaces, but much gentler on you and your family. Number 7. Dryer sheets. Dryer sheets seem like a laundry room lifesaver, but they often contain chemicals that can irritate skin and even trigger allergies. Plus, the coating they leave on clothes can actually reduce their absorbency over time. That waxy film also builds up in your dryer, leaving a sticky, gummy mess. Solution: embrace the fluff naturally. Wool dryer balls are a great alternative. They soften clothes static-free, and they last for years. You can even add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to them for a fresh scent. Number 8. Scented candles. Ah, the allure of a scented candle. They can set a mood and make your home smell lovely for hours. But no matter how nice they smell, many scented candles are made with paraffin wax, which releases harmful toxins when burned. Additionally, synthetic fragrances can trigger allergies and respiratory problems. Solution: light the way to a healthier home. Opt for soy candles or beeswax candles. They burn cleaner and are less likely to irritate you. You can also try essential oil diffusers for a more natural way to fragrance your space. Before we go on, remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips and tricks. Leave us a comment below letting us know about your favorite way to detoxify your home environment. Leave your questions and suggestions there too. Number 9. Plastic cutting boards. Plastic cutting boards seem convenient and easy to clean, but nicks and scratches in the surface can harbor bacteria. Additionally, some studies suggest that chemicals from plastic cutting boards can leach into your food. Solution: chop it like it's hot on a safer surface. Wood or bamboo cutting boards are more hygienic and less likely to harbor bacteria. Just be sure to wash them properly with hot, soapy water after each use. Number 10. Carpet stain removers. Spills happen, and carpet stain removers seem like a quick fix. But many of them contain harsh chemicals that can irritate skin, eyes, and lungs. Solution: blot it out naturally. There are many effective homemade carpet stain removers you can make with ingredients like baking soda, club soda, or white vinegar. They're just as effective at removing stains, but without the harsh chemicals. Number 11. Microwavable plastic containers. We all love the convenience of microwaving leftovers in their plastic containers. But many plastics contain BPA or other chemicals that can leach into food, especially when heated. Solution: heat it up safely. Transfer leftovers to glass or ceramic containers before reheating them in the microwave. These materials are heat-safe and won't leach harmful chemicals into your food. By making small swaps and opting for natural alternatives, you can create a healthier and happier home environment for yourself and your loved ones. If you have any questions about these toxins or have your own safe cleaning solutions to share, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.